Hi guys, it's me, Mila. Today we are going to be singing a song. It is called Bad Blood by Taylor Swift. Today I'm gonna be doing it on my own because Anna always just mimics her mouth like and stuff. So today it's just gonna be me singing. Hopefully I can do this. I had a couple of allergies, so let's start. That's a drink. Shush. Guys, be quiet.
What the hell is it?
Sita. Alright. You won't make it. It's already made. No, Anna, that's mine.
How do you do that?
It's so sad to think about the good times you and I. This is so bad, but you never. This is so bad. This is so bad.
Hey, Polo, go for that. Polo, come on.
Be quiet, yeah. You say sorry just to show you. Then it's so sick, so it holds. You say sorry just to show if you like that. You say
Put it down.